Hi, I'm Dr. Teresa Stovall, and I wanted to share with you my experiences in taking the Zero Textbook Cost course. It has been a phenomenal course. I learned a lot of information about repositories that have materials that I use in my courses, and they're for free. Having the opportunity to create a course with zero textbook costs for my students is just going to be a dream come true. A lot of my students are unable to purchase their book, and trying to navigate taking the course, going to the library to make copies of the material has just been a very difficult chore for many of the students. Well, now I can offer the course where I can provide the materials ahead of time and there's no cost to them. I'm looking forward to seeing my student success rates increase. So I encourage you to enjoy the course, relax, and just take your time in experiencing everything this course has to offer for you. It has been a benefit to me, and I'm pretty sure it'll be a benefit to you as well. Have a wonderful day.